Hey you guys, I'm back with another eyelash tutorial. So today we'll be installing some cluster lashes. I know that you guys had seen it in my last video that I did it, and I'm using the same brand, just a different type of, I guess, thickness. Because the other ones was a little bit thicker, so we're going to be using these. So these are made by Broadway. The number is DIY 20. The number is DIY 20, so you guys can see that. And we'll be using our clear bond and sealer by Kiss Products, if you guys can see. There we go. So sit back and watch the install. If you guys are enjoying the content thus far, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button below to join the Messiah family. I am welcoming all new followers, and I am saying hello to all returning viewers. Okay, now that you guys see, I have my first set on, which is on the right side of my eye. And now you have the option to use either or. I use both to specially infuse the lash with the glue, the bonding glue that you already have put on your original lashes. So you're just pushing down on the false clusters to make sure that it just infuses with the glue that you apply to your real ones. Be careful when you're doing this, because I know you guys seen as I was installing them that they start sticking to my skin. It starts sticking to each other. So be mindful of that. It really depends on how much product you use when you're doing this. I don't know if you ever heard the term, but a little goes a long way. And I tend to install it, put a little bit on one segment, install the cluster, and then I might put a little bit more on the first cluster that I installed, and then put the bonding glue on the rest of the lash that's going to be attached to the new cluster. So the new cluster will have a little bit of coverage over the old one, and it'll be adhesive to the new one that I applied. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to smash it down with this. This plastic piece here is a winner. It's gold. It helps you because it doesn't get stuck to this. Now this, it may have a hard time when I start going through here and pressing it down, and you might see me pulling at my lash a little bit, but this one is always good. I use this when I want to get real close to my eye, but this one, can't go wrong with this. I know you guys see me teary-eyed. I'm always teary-eyed when I do my lashes. My eyes are kind of sensitive, but once they get on, it'll be okay. Now, once you're done infusing the bonding glue to the lashes that you apply onto your real lashes, you just go in with a sealant seal that's on the other end. It's a dual, and you just make sure that you apply it. You can pour this down, so this should be good now. I'm gonna put a little more on there because it probably dried out, but you just pour this down, and you're gonna apply it here, closest to the eyelid, and underneath. The underneath part is optional, but this is the main part that you need to apply it to, because this is where the glue is actually going to sit, and this helps seal that bond that you put on your lashes, on your cluster lashes. So now all you're going to do is make sure that that's drying. I normally have my little baby fan, but I misplaced it, so my hand will work perfectly fine for today. But you don't have to do this. You don't have to do this. You can just let it air dry. It should be good, as long as you don't get right in the shower. So if you're planning on doing this, you could do it before you get in the shower. Just wait like 20 minutes or so before you get in the shower after, because the humidity may make them come up, or may mess with the glue and the sealing that you just put on there. Or when you get out the shower, just wait a little bit, because you know your eyes, your eyelashes might be moist and all that good stuff, and it might not be dry to even adhere the solution to put it on your lashes. So just be mindful of that when you're doing this, and the time management that you got going on. Okay, so I am going to do the other side. I'm going to speed the video up so you guys can see it better, and wait for the finish look. If you guys are enjoying the content thus far, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button below to join the Messiah family. I am welcoming all new followers, and I am saying hello to all returning viewers. Okay, you guys, so we have finished the lashes. I have did my eyebrows. If you want to see how these are accomplished, I have a video already on my channel that I have done these already. I did them before. It's a tutorial when I first did my ponytail, my braid-in ponytail. You can also check out that DIY tutorial as well. But as you guys can see, it's giving what it needs to give. And the plus side of clusters is they're natural. Normally when you do strips, obviously you lay them on the top of your lashes. And when people are standing over you or looking down, they don't look realistic. But with the clusters, they do look realistic. So I'm going to pull these down so you guys can see how natural it looks. And that is the plus of the clusters. And you will install them under, not over, underneath your lashes. See? Natural. All right. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this video or want to see more videos, comment on what beauty thing you want me to do next. I could put it into consideration. Or if you like these videos, if you like any of my videos that I put up, please share, like, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And tune in to the next one. Until next time.